Hello, we are
BTS.
Hi, we're K-pop name BTS, and we're from Korea. It's time for the comeback sesh. Woo! Woo!
Yay.
What's your good luck charm? 혹시 그 행운의 부적 같은 게 있는지?
있나요?
Yeah, I have.
You have one?
It's my face.
Who in the group is the clumsiest? 누가 그룹에서 제일 덜렁대나요?
You. Grandmaster.
You. Okay, I'll tell you a story. I bought this really good sunglasses in Los Angeles, and I tried to wear it.
와우. 난 뭘 집에만 있어야 돼요. 세계 평화를 위해서.
He said I should be in just my room for the world's peace.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your favorite Korean snack that should be everywhere? 가장 좋아하는 코리안 스낵. 그러니까 이 음식은 전 세계에 퍼져야 된다.
와우. 양념 치킨.
양념 chicken. Okay, I want to call it KFC because it's like Korean fried chicken. It's really, really, really tasty.
Yeah, delicious.
The song that should play when I enter a room is 자기의 주제가.
주제가요?
내가 딱 들어갔을 때 어디 딱 등장 빵 했을 때 뒤에서 같이 울렸어.
Kanye West Power. 이건 딴 노래야.
뭐였죠?
아 그래요?
Started from the bottom, now we here.
Hey.
Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Yeah.
Started from the bottom, now we here.
Movie. I'm J-Hall.
If you could only sing one BTS song for the rest of your life, what would it be and why? 평생 동안 하나의 BTS song.
Say me.
Butterfly.
Save me.
Butterfly.
손을 내밀어줘. Save me, save me. I need your love before I fall.
손을 내밀어줘, save me, save me. I need your love before I fall.
Butterfly.
곁에 머물러줄래? 내게 약속해줄래? 곁에 머물러줄래? 내게 약속해줄래?
나나나 today. 불러주세요.
걸어갈 수 없음 기어서라도 기어
기억할 수 없음 걸어.
걸어갈 수
That's how we do it in the
Hey YouTube! Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment if you enjoyed it. And for more people now, click on the subscribe button down here.
And check out more great video right now by clicking on one of these links.